video clip ko na. So sana hindi mo na mag-fail. Ano ba? Red, happy birthday. Tapos thank you for being part of my life, and thank you na nakilala kita. Nakilala kita for some time, I guess. Tapos thank you rin na naging part ka ng buhay ko kahit papano. Ano ba? Sana lahat ng wishes mo naging totoo. Sana maging okay ka from now and everyday. I wish you all the best and happy birthday. Happy birthday ulit.